Get your guns. Get your guns. Get your guns. Come on, get your guns. You're not supposed to. You do that every single.
Hey, no, don't shoot me like that.
Wait a minute, you turd!
I told you. You're on Gigi's team, Daddy. Which one? Oh, heck no!
Oh, really?
Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. It hurts.
I told you this thing is deadly.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh my god! I barely blocked that with my thing. I barely blocked that. Ooh. Go, go, go! They're cornering.
I didn't think the woman always gave you that. Got her.
Oh!
Oh, did you just shoot Pappy?
Oh crap!
Say hello to my little friend. Oh, crap.
Crap!
He just threw that one down.
No, because it's
Hey, why are you blocking behind me? Ow, God, brother.
emotional damage!
Oh, it's always good. Hey, that one right there, that's on the ground, the blue one. That's the one you want. That one blows already. Got one bullet.
I'm on your team.
Go. But you're not on mine.
Jeez!
She's trying. She's going for it now. God, you might want to real quick. I did. I didn't mean that, man.
That was not good.
And when Jessica comes back out, she sees the sticks on it. What's that? You alright? Randy, you alright?
Good.
You okay? Sure?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm checking if the tablet's
It's
okay.
fine. You okay, though, is what I'm asking.
Yeah, I'm good.
Because you fell down hard.
I'm good.
Okay, good. Now you're not. Now
Oh.
you're okay. I can shoot. Hey, no, that don't work, that don't work. You don't use paper! Paper cuts is deadly! Hey! Look. You gotta pull it all the way back. I gotta make sure it goes all the way back here. I usually pull it back pretty hard. I think something's making it hard to do, but it works now. So. Hey, come on, brother. Sorry. You okay?
Who's getting me that much?
Ow! Somebody hit that button.
I'm just randomly shooting. Ow! What?
He's behind you.
No, he's not. He's behind.
I'm just shooting at nothing.
Alright, I'm out of bullets.
Load up then, Gigi.
Done.
Why are you shooting your partner? You a bad partner, Bradley. You shot your partner more than you shot me. That's like going down. He's just like, man. He just single shooting that thing whole time.
Play now.
Ow, Bradley. Ow. Bradley hit me with the toy dog. I barely walked. Hey! Hey, Bradley. It's cheating.
Smack.
Hey. Ow, Bradley. Right here. Damn. Pick up everything. That was the devil.
Crap. Oh my God! I just knocked the bullet out of mid-air.
They're everywhere. Hey. Not, man.